This is me again, and I want to talk to you about something that I'm using in my classroom called Classroom Screen. Now, Classroom Screen is a way for you to make your smartboard um, able to show the important stuff that they're asking us to do in the classrooms nowadays. A lot of the times they want the objectives, they want material, play stuff, and here you are in between class trying to rush and do this while the kids are bothering you. Well, here's one thing that I can do. I can pass along this one to you because you can pre-make everything that needs to go up. As you can see right here, I have Classroom Screen right there. And I have my subjects over for this one. Let's just take a look at my wellness for day 4. So we see right here, we have my wellness for day 4. And I'm just going to shrink down this part here so you can see the full screen and the maximum effect. I'm able to put in my wellness objectives, what the teacher's going to do, students going to do, any mind maps or sheets that can have pictures of placed up here so that I can use them. I can have what material the student needs. I can even adjust the size of it if I have some kids with acuity issues. I can put down a screen capture of what we're going to be doing, a teacher's sample. I have a host of things. Now down here are a bunch of tools. This one allows you to change your background image. So if you have kids who have attention issues, you can make a small little animated GIF that draws their attention up. You can do polls with the kids where they have to do different things into the classroom. Another thing is you can do a sound level check so that if the kids get above a certain level, you hear a ding, which is really good when you're doing your staminas and trying to do things like read to self. We have here for posting images, like what you see here. We have for text, and there's the text. And as you can see, it's a pretty simple text editor, okay, with some other options here in the gears and the dots, such as to change the background colors. The next tool is Draw, which will allow you to draw onto the screen with a marker and erase. And again, there are some other options here that if you want to be able to use graph paper, you can use graph paper, which will be pretty good in math. You can also put links to YouTube videos. So instead of going in through your plans, you have this up on the board and you can shrink them until you need them. Okay, so you could have a YouTube video placed into there and it shows the cover of the YouTube video, or you can leave it like that. Another one is work symbols. So if you want kids to work silently, if you want them to be whisper chats, so there are activities there like that. If you're in the traffic lights, timers are nice in the classroom and they are adjustable. You can even make them very small so that you get different type of looks. There's a stopwatch for counting down things. And in the more, you get other options such as a calendar, in case you need a calendar for different classroom activities. There is a dice for putting embedded things in. The embedded one is nice because you can have websites that be placed in there. Group Maker is good too, so you can put all the kids in here, okay, like this, put in their whole class list, and it will make a class, break them into groups for you. Webcam, so if you have a document camera, this one I haven't been able to get to work. A clock, randomize, so you can choose a random name from a list. Visual timer, okay, which is another type of timer. If you wanted to put your timetable up here, there are different widgets, which I haven't been using this one. If you have some hyperlinks. Now, just to show you how I've done this in each of my classes, I'm just going to show you an example. This one here is for my CTF. As you can see, pretty simple, what material they need. In fact, they were in make code. In math, latest one in math will be the one for day 4. And I have a small picture here for the kids. In math, I have a small picture here for the kids and what activities that we're going to be doing in the math, and a video ready to go on dealing with place value. In wellness, it's the activity that we're doing today. In social, this is what we're doing tomorrow. Again, key points put up here so the kids can see what we're learning. In LA, for today, I've got my groupings, activities, my working goal, timer, important links that I want to use, what I expect myself and the students to do, which standards that we're covering. Science for day 1. Again, a link to Cami because I like to use this. So when you click the link, you just go like that, and it brings you right there. But it's a little nicer than just having a URL there. Okay, you can take JPEGs and place them. So this is a sheet that I'm working with the kids. Art activity that I'm going to be working on with 3D software with the students. Again, important links that I need, all right here, a quick, easy access. And I can make them up in the evening or the morning. And that way I'm not running up to the board to throw up an objective, to throw up what materials are needed for that subject. It's all pre-done, and just have this up on the screen so that kids are able to see it. So again, guys, this is Classroom Screen, and let me know if you have any questions about it.